Hey there, English learners. Hand waving, welcome back to First Step Spoken English. Today's lesson is all about weekend shopping bags. From beginner to intermediate to advanced, we'll practice real shopping conversations step by step. So, grab your list, grab your cart, and let's go shopping in English. A1 A2, beginner, 20 dialogue pairs. A. Are you going shopping this weekend? B. Yes, I am. A. What will you buy? B. Some fruits and bread. A. Do you go on Saturday or Sunday? B. Saturday. A. Do you shop with family? B. Yes, with my mother. A. Where do you shop? B. At the supermarket. A. Do you buy clothes? B. Sometimes, yes. A. Do you like weekend shopping? B. Yes, it's fun. A. Do you buy snacks? B. Always. A. Do you carry a bag? B. Yes, a big one. A. Do you make a list? B. Yes, always. A. Do you buy vegetables? B. Yes, fresh ones. A. Do you go in the morning? B. No, afternoon. A. Do you spend much money? B. Not too much. A. Do you go by car? B. Yes, with my dad. A. Do you shop every weekend? B. Not every weekend. A. Do you buy gifts? B. Sometimes. A. Do you like sales? B. Yes, very much. A. Do you shop alone? B. No, with friends. A. Do you try new shops? B. Yes, sometimes. A. Do you enjoy it? B. Yes, shopping is nice. Small diamond B1 B2, intermediate, 20 dialogue pairs. A. What do you usually shop for on weekends? B. Mostly clothes and food. A. Do you prefer shopping in malls or markets? B. I prefer malls. A. Do you shop in the morning or evening? B. In the evening, after work. A. Do you shop online during weekends? B. Sometimes, yes. A. Do you go shopping with friends? B. Yes, it's more fun. A. Do you set a budget for weekend shopping? B. Yes, I try not to overspend. A. What is your favorite shop? B. A clothing store near my house. A. Do you wait for discounts? B. Yes, they save money. A. Do you like window shopping? B. Yes, I enjoy looking around. A. Do you shop for groceries every weekend? B. Yes, it's a routine. A. Do you shop at supermarkets or small shops? B. Usually supermarkets. A. Do you make impulse purchases? B. Sometimes, yes. A. Do you enjoy weekend shopping? B. Yes, it relaxes me. A. Do you spend time comparing prices? B. Yes, I always do. A. Do you try new products? B. Yes, I like exploring. A. Do you buy more during sales? B. Definitely. A. Do you shop for gifts on weekends? B. Yes, if needed. A. Do you visit bookshops on weekends? B. Yes, I like reading. A. Do you enjoy food courts while shopping? B. Yes, I love snacks. A. Do you shop in groups? B. Yes, with family. Small diamond C1 C2, advanced, 20 dialogue pairs. A. How do you usually plan your weekend shopping? B. I prepare a list in advance. A. Do you shop more for necessity or pleasure? B. A bit of both. A. What factors influence your shopping decisions? B. Price, quality, and convenience. A. Do you think malls are better than local markets? B. Each has its pros and cons. A. How do you avoid overspending on weekends? B. By sticking to my budget. A. Do you think online shopping has changed weekend habits? B. Yes, it's more common now. A. How do you balance leisure and necessity shopping? B. I separate time for both. A. Do you compare brands when shopping? B. Yes, quality matters. A. Do you think shopping is a stress reliever? B. For me, yes. A. Do you plan purchases or buy spontaneously? B. Mostly planned. A. How do you manage shopping during festive weekends? B. I shop earlier to avoid crowds. A. Do you prefer in-person or online deals? B. Depends on the product. A. What's your take on weekend sales? B. They're both tempting and tricky. A. Do you shop for luxury items on weekends? B. Rarely, but sometimes. A. How do you decide where to shop? B. Based on reviews and prices. A. Do you negotiate in local markets? B. Yes, it's expected. A. Do you think shopping malls will survive online competition? B. Yes, because people still like experiences. A. How do you handle long queues on weekends? B. I try to shop early. A. Do you see shopping as a social activity? B. Yes, it brings people together. A. How has shopping changed in the last 10 years? B. It's more digital now. Full dialogue sets. Set 1 Beginner. A1 A2. A. Hi. Are you going shopping this weekend? B. Yes, I need vegetables. A. On Saturday or Sunday? B. Saturday afternoon. A. Who are you going with? B. With my mom. A. That's nice. Will you buy clothes too? B. Maybe, if there's a sale. Set 2 Intermediate. B1 B2. A. What do you usually shop for on weekends? B. Mostly clothes and sometimes books. A. Do you prefer malls or street markets? B. I prefer malls because they're convenient. A. Do you go shopping alone? B. No, with friends. It's more fun. A. Do you spend a lot? B. I try not to, but sales are tempting. Set 3 Advanced. C1 C2. A. How do you usually plan your weekend shopping? B. I prepare a list and set a budget. A. Do you shop more for needs or for fun? B. A mix of both. Sometimes it's practical, sometimes just for pleasure. A. Do you think online shopping has reduced weekend crowds? B. A little, but malls still attract people for the experience. A. True, shopping is also social, not just buying. B. Exactly. It's about the whole outing.